Hey, I'm Fish. How's your day? Oh yeah, we're here with the GoPro Hero 10, the Fuel Aim X5, and we can only adjust the receiver to a 2 dB, and hopefully it'll do a good job giving a yap. Mr. Squirrel, go run up that pole. It's a nice bike ride towards the beach, and we're going to see what the view looks like. Feel a little wetness hitting me right now, and hopefully the bugs and the gnats that stay off of me while I'm in motion. We have clouds, baby blue sky, the sun comes up behind, and it's a moon up above ahead, and I don't think we're going to see it because it may go behind the clouds in the distance. If you carefully look, you'll see the full moon. It's there. Very difficult to see on the GoPro. The beach, everybody's out, getting ready for their swim, and the trucks, you bet, will start to clean up soon. We have here is a stolen e-bike. People will just basically grab them and do what they want with them. It is early. People are camping out and getting ready for the morning beach time. It's a first come, first served basis. You grab a spot and go hang on out. So as we set up and go have fun and pick a spot, enjoy the day with the sun beating down on you on those hot summer days. All over, every table almost taken. Come on down, hurry up, pick a spot, and have fun barbecuing. That's what it's all about. Enjoy your beach, clean up after you're done, and hopefully there'll be another day all over again. The locals, that's who we are. Yes, indeed. We're out here, like I said, the Karate Kid, man. I could take some lessons, get back into shape, more shape than I am in. Oh yeah, it's always good to get that exercise in. You can sit here, you can paint the picture of the sky and the clouds. That's how beautiful it is. It is a picture perfect moment. And in the distance, you can see the mist coming off of the water. The gulls are ready. Oh, yeah, they'll fly by, come by, and take your food just like that. I gotta go find an escape route. Gold mine. Oh yeah, man, every day. Clean up. Yeah. Yeah, that's why people come. Got a bathroom right nearby. Oh yeah. Beach time is over. Look, traffic jam. The truck wants to back up to park. I would have just stayed there. Man, you know where you're going. Oh man, this was a beautiful block. It'll be a beautiful block when it gets done. I love it when we stop, don't know where we're going. Well, anyway, and on that note, I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot, and I shared a lot. I'm gonna put your things away, shut down, and call it a day. I have things to do like get a cup of joe, get my breakfast, start my work, and get things rolling. On that note, I'm Fish, and I see you on many other videos to come.